so much for joining us today. For those of you joining us for the first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, we appreciate your support. So we've got another Trader Joe's haul just for you. You don't want to miss this. This week, I'm really excited to share with you guys a few new items that I have not yet tried. I got one or two new things for Pady to try out. I've got a few new things for us as a family to try out, and I'm really excited. So for now, I'm gonna be sharing them with you, but make sure you follow us at For the Love of Peyton on Instagram so you can hear our reviews throughout the week as we start trying out some of these new snacks and some new dinner items. So the first thing, this is an oldie but goodie. I've got my raw shrimp. This is $9.99. I really love this because they do come without the skin on it, just with the tail. So if you choose to make something where you do want to keep the tail on, super easy, and it's already deveined. I mean, it's foolproof. If you decide to make something where you do want to pull the tails off, you're not having to pull the entire casing. It's just the tail, so it's really quick and easy to use in your breakfast, lunch, or dinner items. This one is a new one. Now this is the maple butter. This is a new item that is seasonal. I don't think they'll keep it, but of course this is perfect for the fall season. My thought is that I want to use it on things you would think, like pancakes, French toast. I am thinking about maybe including it on a charcuterie board, and maybe you can just spread some on some crackers and have it with maybe one of the more tart cheeses, like perhaps a goat cheese. I think that would be a really great mix, so I'm excited to try this one out. This was $3.99. As I said, it is seasonal, so if I do end up liking this, I probably will stock up and get 2 or 3 more, because as you know, a lot of times the seasonal items do not return for another year. The next one that I have are anchovies. Now, I've gotten this several times before, super affordable. I believe this is $1.49. What I love about these anchovies, it's a small casing of it, and what I love, or can of it rather, and I love to use these in my Caesar salad dressing. I like to make my dressing from scratch. This week, one of the items on our menu is going to be Caesar salad. And I do enjoy a nice creamy Caesar dressing. I do make it from scratch, and it has to have anchovies. The next item I have is this lemongrass. Let me try to get a good close up for you. This is the lemongrass coconut body oil. This is the second bottle I've purchased. It smells so good. If you are someone that enjoys a very fresh lemony scent, I love to put this on when my body is still a little bit damp. After I come out the shower, not fully dry, I like to lace this on my skin, really work it in. As it comes to the winter, if this is a scent you would like in the winter, then what I would suggest, I always like, when it comes to Bath & Body Works lotions, I mean for skin, like for people of color, it's too thin and it does not penetrate well enough through the skin to keep you moisturized throughout the day. So if you have a specific scent that you like, but the lotion is super thin, what I suggest is buy Johnson & Johnson's baby oil gel, which is typically under $4. You can get it at your Target or your Walmart or your neighborhood pharmacy, and mix it with whatever your favorite scent is, and that baby oil gel will absolutely keep you moisturized for the entire day, and you get to keep your favorite scent. So that's something that I would suggest you do with this in the winter. The next item I got, now this is a moscato and peach. I've never tried this one before. As you guys know, if you've checked out my other Trader Joe's videos, which I'll be sure to link in the description below, you'll know that I typically get the bellinis, and I decided to try something new. This is some moscato and peach. It is semi-sweet. I'm hoping, I mean, for those of you who watch my videos, you know I don't really like any bitter or dry wines. I like wines that are typically like dessert wines, super sweet. So I'm excited to try this one out because I do want to kind of venture out from the bellinis, and I did see they have the margarita mix with the alcohol already in it. It is $13.99. That one I'm definitely gonna get on my next haul, but I decided to try this one first, and this one's priced at $8.99. Okay, the next thing I got, guys, if you have never tried this, you need to try it. This is Dr. Brenner's cast iron soap. Now the reason why this is a really great buy, this is only $12.99, is because it's super concentrated. If you use a loofah, you simply drop maybe 1 or 2 drops onto your loofah and it is going to give you a nice rich lather. In addition, the Dr. Brenner's cast iron soap is also a fantastic laundry detergent. Many people don't know that. So you can on here, I believe it will tell you how much how much you should use in each load, but this is great for whites, especially if you have like all white sheets, or if you have white tablecloths and it's difficult for you to get some stains out. This, and if you add a little bit of vinegar into the area where you would typically add bleach into your washer, this will definitely get that dingy look lifted. So this is a great one to try. Also, something that people don't know is you can use this to clean fruits and vegetables to get the pesticides off. So definitely purchase this, $12.99. And this, even if you use this in your bathroom just as your body care soap, this will literally last you about 3 to 4 months because it's so big and you don't have to use a lot. So this is a great one to get that's a multi-purpose throughout the home. Okay, so I got this. This is something I've purchased several times before from Trader Joe's. I believe it's under $3. And what I love about this is just a smaller version, especially for those of you like myself. I don't have a huge fridge, and a lot of times in the supermarket, they come in like a larger bottle. And for me, the smaller one is a little bit more helpful because space-wise, I just am a little bit tight for space because I'm always shopping for food stuff. Another one that I've gotten that is brand new, this is the Parmesan crisps. What I'm thinking about doing is, instead of croutons, because, okay, so some people, when you have your Caesar salads, because I told you I was planning to make Caesar salads this week, some people do not like croutons in their salad. This is a great option because it's a Parmesan crisp by itself. It's typically very, very cheesy, but you can serve it on the side, and then you can have the option to either bite into it and then, you know, have some with your salad, or you can dip it in your dressing, or you can kind of crumple it and put it on top of your salad, and that's a great option as well. So I'm excited to try that. And that one, I believe, was $2.99. Okay, this is another new one. So I've never tried this one before. This is the spicy, chunky tomato and pepper pasta sauce. Now, I know I do have a 6-year-old at home, might be a little bit too spicy for her, but my plan is, whenever I make any type of red sauce, it's never just the red sauce. I always like to add in a little heavy cream into it. Or if I have a pre-made Alfredo sauce that I buy by the bottle, I'll typically just pour a little bit into there. That is helpful to kind of break down the pungent taste to me personally. Like red sauce by itself, it's just a little bit too pungent. But what I love is that if you add a little cream sauce to it, it does break down that heat as well. So if this is a little too spicy, that's what I'll use to cut the heat. Okay, next up, this is a new snack for Patty. I have been really trying to find these. I saw this on, side note, quick plug, because as you all know, I support Black business. There is an awesome Instagram page called Black Girls in Trader Joe's. I absolutely love that Instagram page because it is just a community of Black women that share all of the awesome items that they find at Trader Joe's. They'll let you know when items are out of stock, when things are back in stock. They'll also let you know some of the new things going on and what they've tried and how they've kind of paired things together that might not be things you would even think of pairing. So it's a really great page to check out. Again, it's called Black Girls in Trader Joe's. I will also link that page below. But I say all that to say, I found this. Someone was mentioning that they purchased this at Trader Joe's, and the last 2 or 3 times that I've went to Trader Joe's, I've not been able to find it. I've seen the area where they keep it because I see the sign, but it's been sold out. So obviously it must be good. So I'm pretty excited to try this one out. Now, this one, I get produce all the time. Today I got lemons, I got bananas, and I got some cherry tomatoes. Now, I don't typically share that when I do my hauls with you guys because I know that's really not the exciting things that kind of make Trader Joe's Trader Joe's. In my opinion, I will always be honest, I find that Trader Joe's produce tends to be a little bit pricey. However, I usually get these at the farmer market, the lemons at 5 for $2, and this 5 count bag was $1.99. So same price, and it was more convenient for me because I like to use my lemons with these. So these are the No Joke Gingers. They're juice shots. It's actually not pure ginger. It has a blend of coconut water, ginger, and lemon with added cayenne pepper. Now, what I love to do is I have my water bottle. I don't know how many ounces this is, but it's pretty large, right? I like to fill that up, and I do a half a shot of this ginger, and I use like a quarter lemon. Oh my gosh, it makes my water taste so much better because, I mean, we drink water all the time. We're trying to stay hydrated. Now, I know, I'm sure you guys have seen the memes going around that lemon really doesn't do anything for the water, but just for me, when it comes to taste, I really, really prefer having the lemon and a little bit of ginger in there because it just gives it a better, it makes me feel like I'm having juice, but it's just unsweetened, of course. So definitely try that out and comment below and let me know what you think about it. Okay, this is another one that I learned about from Black Girls in Trader Joe's Instagram page. This is the I think it's furikake. I'm not sure. Please let me know if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I apologize ahead of time, but it's a multi-purpose Japanese seasoning. What I'm interested about with this is that it does have like little shavings of seaweed in it. It also has white sesame seeds and black sesame seeds. I plan to use this more so for staging. I don't know how this tasting is going to be, but I plan to use it whenever I make any type of Asian dishes. And again, make sure you follow me on Instagram because I do have whenever I'm cooking dinner, I will post pictures, and the final product, I do like to stage it, and I feel like this would look really nice aesthetically on top of any of my white rice, or if I do, whenever I make the jasmine rice in an Asian dish, or perhaps on any type of meat, I can kind of sprinkle it on there. So I felt like that would be a nice look, but I will definitely let you know how it tastes once I review it on Instagram. Okay, enough fun one that I have is this. I thought these were super cute. So it's a double chocolate. So if you notice here, you've got dark chocolate, you've got milk chocolate, you've got some marshmallows, and then you have the spoon. So you literally just add milk to this, and of course warm milk, and you use this to stir, and then you've got your hot chocolate. I think that's the cutest thing, and it was only 99 cents. I got 2 of them. I'm gonna let Peyton try it out. Of course, now that it's coming into the fall and winter season, she loves hot chocolate, and she likes to have it by the fireplace while she's watching TV. That's her little thing. So I thought this was a great way to bring in fall. Why not try these little spoons out? I've never seen this before, but I have seen the ones that have honey on the end that you can use in tea. So I thought this was a really great alternative for Peyton to use. The last thing I have to show you are these reusable produce bags. Take a look at the size of them. I mean, I'll scale it so you can see. If you're putting the lemons in there, I mean, they're huge. They're huge. And what I love about this is I actually saw some of them on Grove Collaborative, which is a site that offers like green products. And I wanted to try it out, but I think they were like $8 or $9, and I had them in my shopping bag to ship out the next time I get an order. But I'm so excited I found this because it was only $1.99, and it's this kind of mesh. Think about like the fabric that is used when you're doing the bra inserts for washing to put it in the laundry. It's that same type of fabric. It's washable. $1.99, and you get like a medium size and a size that's far larger. I mean, you can't beat that. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for staying with me until the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment below. Comment with a few things. Number one, let me know, is there anything that I shared today that you've gotten at Trader Joe's that you like or you really don't like? Is there anything else that you haven't seen on my haul so far that you think I should try? Because I definitely want to try some new items. And lastly, make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Support us. Our family is growing and we love it. And we also love that our Instagram page is just growing and growing and growing. Be sure to follow us on there because we do dinners quite often, and I love to show you guys the process, and I include recipes as well. So if you're interested in getting some new ideas of quick items to make that are super delicious and super fun to even include your kids with, make sure you follow us on Instagram. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to check us out every single Monday. We will have a new video uploaded. Thank you so much for watching today. Until next time.